Great.
I got this hot guy over here.
What's up? Thank you, babe.
Look at this.
Fuck you, don't
Ron,
touch my shit.
this looks just like you, dude.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Can you open it so we get like a side by side?
First off, our good buddy Eric is one of the biggest anime distributors for products. But he came, we just finished his Ferrari, and he blessed us with some Street Fighter stuff.
Yeah.
As you can see.
And this looks just very close to you,
this.
huh? Look at that.
Authentication, right?
Charles, you can't jack off to this.
Charles, grab the box for me, dude.
No jacking off to this, Charles.
What is wrong with glasses? Shut the fuck up, Sam.
I think we have a skateboard if you want to kickflip or some shit.
I don't even know how to do that.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy the car and let me know if you need anything, brother. Take it easy. What are you eating?
Grapes. Guys, look how skinny Ron got.
Guys, joke's up. I have fucking cancer. I'm dying. Oh, son of a dude. This is really packaged well, actually. I know, man. Great, Anthony. What the hell just happened? Just use the key.
That's hilarious. Oh my god. It's fucking hilarious.
All right, guys. We got a life-size replica of Charles.
Wow, Charles, that looks just like you.
Damn, this shit is nice, bro. You can't even hold it.
That's super sick. He's buff. Charles, you can totally jack off to this thing.
Shit is sick.
Oh my fucking god. What is that?
Fucking pose like him right now. Do the same pose.
Is it pooping? What is that?
It's not pooping, dude. Oh, man.
That's really cool.
That is really cool.
Huh. Shout outs to Eric. Here, maybe you can incorporate this. It's a real bat.
From Wuhan?
I don't know if you guys want to like do that.
Holy shit.
You want it?
Creepy. Now I'm good.
Oh. Dude. Fucking sick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dude.
This looks just like Charles.
Dude, I got more shit. Once I realized that you guys are fans, I'm gonna throw all
Dude,
that
you
shit.
tell me what you need
got
from
the
me.
naughty shit?
I'll do my best.
I got
Mmm. Spam Subi over here, shooting my skyline. He is the hot TikTok whore. We wanted to shoot for a long time. We want to shoot for a long time. You know when you edge forever? Hey guys, check this out. This is the new Acura Integra Type R. Look at it. It's so sick. Fucking Acura really killed it with this one. It's 4 doors, more horse. It's gorgeous. This is like beautiful Type R. This is Type R too. And what else is Type R, Steven? This is a real Type R. See?
That's a real Type R.
That is. Type R red on the hair. Let's see if it starts.
Okay, let's see.
What's up guys, good morning. Beautiful day, welcome to the vlog, welcome to the channel. Taking the GTR out today to, let's see, what would some of these titles be on YouTube if I did this? GTR Embarrasses Supercar Owners. That's kind of what the theme is gonna be today, although not really looking to embarrass any of my friends here. I'm just going to mob. We are going to this event hosted by South OC Cars and Coffee. It is called Supercars by the Sea. And that's literally what it is. Let's head out. Shout outs to all you farmers out there. Providing the corn for the boys. Yeah, so I don't really, I think we're gonna run into a bunch of homies out there, see if we can get some runs. That'd be kind of cool. But intercooler piping's not falling off today, so I think we're good.
Oh, I try my best.
Yeah.
Try my best.
Yeah. Sexy boy. That's the homie Leon.
Videographers that know, they'll be like, oh bro, that's
Just like the old days, huh, boss?
the old days.
This thing sounds fucking badass. Black Series. Fun fact. I had a C63 coupe in white a long time ago, and I always hated the stock offset that these cars came with. But the Black Series, you don't have to worry about that because it's wide body, so you can get a more aggressive offset in the back. Super, super sick car. I've always wanted one of these fucking cars. Ooh. A Roots charger? What charger? What kit is this?
Wise Tech Stage 3.
Okay.
It's a 3-liter supercharger. 808 to the wheels.
Damn.
So it doesn't hook at all.
No, these cars stock don't hook at all.
Yeah.
Because of the rear tire is just so fucking... You can fit some beefy motherfuckers back there, though.
Well, these are the wheels from an E63. I just took them off and threw them on there.
I'm sure if you put a 888s, you can fucking hook a little bit.
Yeah, but I'm trying to burn tire.
Yeah. Sometimes it's fun not to hook.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's sick, bro. solid, dude. Yeah.
Get over here, bitch. Wow.
but it's a shit show, obviously. We showed up a little bit late. Let's get in and see what kind of supercars are here by the sea. Maybe we'll run into Sebastian. Real big shit show getting in. The security girl, God bless her, she's doing a tough job trying to like regulate traffic. Sorry if we cut you off, but we got to get in the show, so I apologize. All right guys, we're over here, beach. 34 is there somewhere. Fuck you, Josh. The 34 is there somewhere in there. Okay.
Oh, hey, get buoy, just advertising.
Let me get it. This is my boy Buoys.
That's right.
Buying glob mops over here. He's taking over the world, right, Buoy? If you need some glob mops, this is the spot to do it at. So this is the BBC? This is the BBC?
BBC, yeah.
it, guys. We're leaving. All right, guys. It's over. Supercars by the Sea was pretty dope. I'll catch you guys back at the shop. It's hot. All right, guys. I don't know what else to say. Got a lot of... I can't wait for the Super to be done. I'm so fucking excited on that. And as soon as Super's done, I'm gonna work on this. This car, the GTR's gears are just too long and it's boring. It has no torque. It's too loud, actually. I think I'm gonna need a muffler. I'm gonna change it. It's way too loud. The new wheels and everything, I'll just fucking do all of it at once. Fuck it. But I'm super excited for the Super. You guys don't even know half the shit I'm doing. And I can't wait to tell you guys. I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. As always, much love. Hope you guys have fun watching me fuck around with all the exotics. But I will catch you guys on the next one. Please claw that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.